Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kim and I'm here to do a real quick video of an updated what's inside my Pochette Metis. Now here's the bag, guys. This is the beautiful Pochette Metis. This bag is super hard to get a hold of, but I'm so happy I have her in my collection. This bag is actually a replacement for my original Pochette Metis just because that bag actually had issues. If you'd like to go ahead and see my story time and what happened to that bag, I do have a video that I had made. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you can go ahead and watch that video as well. Let me go ahead and show you what's inside this beauty. Now, the first thing I have inside this bag is going to be my Sarah wallet. The very front pocket, this is my Sarah wallet, guys. Love this wallet. It's such a good wallet to have. I don't really carry cash with me much, but if I do, I have all the space that I can have to carry cash with me on the back. You have space right here. You have also space right here. This particular wallet does carry, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 16 credit card slot, guys. Yes, you heard me right. It is 16 credit card slots. I don't particularly use these 4 credit card slots in the front just because I don't want to stretch out the canvas. But the inside, I put a lot on it. So that's how it looks like. This is the wallet. And in the middle compartment right here, I have my mini pochette. This one is in the damier Ben print, and this one is particularly made in France. Now I love this thing. I can't rave enough about this item. It's such a good essentials to have in your bag. I am such an organized person, guys. I like to have my stuff inside their own little pouches, and all of my stuff has their own place to be put at. So technically this one I highly recommend. I used it as a small catch-all for all of my bags. Technically just grab it, switch it out if I need to switch it out on a different bag. It's so much easier for me to switch out bags just because all of my items are actually either in their own cases or in their own little small bags like this. So let me show you what is inside there. I have my pill case. I have my compact, my powder compact from Dior. And this compact does come with a brush as well from Dior. I have my lipstick from Chanel. I have my chapstick. I have bandages. I have my Listerine. And there is nothing else inside that. This is so beautiful, guys. It has this red lining inside, and the date code is right on that corner right there. Now, the next item I have is going to be my 6 key holder from Louis Vuitton as well. This one, I believe it's in, I don't know what the color is, but it's this fuchsia lining. It's more like this magenta pink lining. And I just technically hold my keys here, my car keys. This one I did get hot stamped. And I didn't get it stamped here because, as you normally would see, a lot of the YouTubers, whenever they do either an unboxing or a quick review on this, every time they do get their own piece hot stamped, they always get it hot stamped on this side. But I did ask my SA to get mine hot stamped on the other side, just because every time you close this flap right here, I just feel like it's just gonna keep scratching this stamp, and it's either one day gonna peel off, or it's gonna come off, or it's just gonna keep getting scratched because of the fact of the keys is just gonna keep scratching it. But I highly recommend this piece. This piece is particularly made in France. With this item specifically, I would normally, let's say I don't want to use my bag, or I just want to run out just to drop off the kids at school, I would normally just put my ID, a debit card, a credit card in here, and I have my keys. And then I'm all set to go. I don't have to worry about bringing anything with me. So this item particularly, I highly recommend, guys. I love this piece right here. I don't know, I'm so in love with Louis Vuitton. I mean, I love other brands like Christian Dior. I love Chanel as well. But the canvas pieces of Louis Vuitton, I just feel like they last a lifetime. I don't have to worry about their leathers at all. I mean, probably because I don't have their leather pieces. I'm pretty sure one day I will earn or buy a leather piece from their collection. But as of right now, I am loving the canvas pieces, guys. Now, the other item that I have in there is my key clay from Louis Vuitton. You could also use this one to hook your keys in. And you can put your IDs, credit card, essentials that you need on the go in there. But I normally use this as either a catch-all, or I would normally use this as to hold the rest of my cards. You know, my rewards cards, Mets, Sephora, you know, just the random. I definitely recommend this piece, guys. This is a must-have if you are collecting Louis Vuitton, or if you just, you know, if you're just new with Louis Vuitton, I definitely recommend to either get this piece or this piece, just to see how you're going to like it, what is the longevity of the item. But I highly recommend them, guys. The next piece I have in the middle compartment is going to be my sunglasses case holder from Louis Vuitton. And inside I just have my Ray-Bans. The last item I have in the middle compartment is going to be my Mademoiselle. This is the twist kind, the travel kind. I always have a hard time remembering what this item is called, but I highly recommend this. I'm still a bit old school, so I'm still using checkbooks. I know other people don't use checkbooks anymore, but I do. So let me show you. I don't want to show you the other side, but I will show you this side. The reason why I love this, it has 3 credit card slots right here. And then on the other side is just technically my checkbook. And then on the back pocket right here, I have my phone. This is what I carry here at all times. I love carrying it on the back pocket just because when I have it on silent, it is right next to your body. When you're carrying it, it is right next to your body. Let me show you. When you're carrying it cross-body, every time my ring mode is not on, let's say I'm at my daughter's school meetings, or I'm at my son's taekwondo lessons, I always have my phone on silent. So every time my phone is ringing or I get a text, I feel it vibrating from the back pocket because it's literally right next to my body. I highly, highly, highly recommend this bag, guys. I can't rave enough about having this bag in your collection. This is a must, and I definitely love it. I'm still fully in love with this bag, and I think I will always remain in love with this bag. Now, I would normally wear this bag handheld like this depending on my outfit. If I'm wearing a dress, if I'm wearing more casual outfits, if I'm wearing, you know, it just depends on my mood. But I would still definitely use it as a handheld bag Now, if I don't want to use it as a handled bag and I want to be hands-free, especially when I take the kids to the park or when I go to the mall and I need my hands and I have kids on one hand and I have shopping bags on the other, I would definitely use the strap with it. Let me just show you. Know if how this is gonna look, but technically this is how it would look like as a crossbody. This strap is adjustable, guys, so you have different length adjustments. I have it close to the shortest length just because I'm super short. And I like to have my pochette metis a little bit lower or maybe just right above. Well, I like to have my pochette metis right on my hip bone. So this is exactly how I wear my bag, guys. Anyways, guys, there's not much I can say about the bag. The bag is beautiful. I'm still in love with the bag. I'm happy to have her in my collection. And I'm pretty sure if you do end up getting the Pochette Metis, you'll fall in love with it as much as I did. Anyways, guys, if you do like this kind of video, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so that way you'll be updated every time I upload a video. Until then, guys, I'll see you later. Bye!